Spectra and Hemi work together to bring you fixed rate positions with your Bitcoin. Simply connect your Web3 wallet to Spectra's website and load it up with some hemiBTC. You'll be able to select the position that you want to take by putting the input amount right here. We'll just do a small amount right there just to show the efficacy of this. Click the fixed rate button here, approve, and then confirm in MetaMask when it pops up. Just click confirm down there. Then you'll approve in the app. And confirm one more time. Confirm it one more time here in the app. And once more in MetaMask once it pops up here. Track your positions here. And when you're ready to go ahead and leave that position, you can exit it. Remember, it'll output BFBTC. If you started with hemiBTC, exiting your position will bring you BFBTC. Confirm in MetaMask. Confirm in the app. And sign the transaction to retrieve your assets. And that concludes this tutorial.